Hey YouTube, CLOCKWISE here, back at it again. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the license plate lights on this Lexus RX350. It's a 2009. This will work between the 2007 all the way to 2012. But it's a very easy job. Let's go ahead and open our tailgate, our trunk. It's a rainy day here in the Space City, but it doesn't matter, we'll manage. We're going to go ahead and remove this cover first, which is easy. You can do it with your hands, just use both of your hands. Or use a flathead if you want, but you're gonna start on that side or this side. Let me kind of focus. But yeah, just remove this, see how it comes out. It's held by clips. There's clips all around. Just do it smoothly. I mean, make sure you don't try not to break anything, which is hard, but I'm gonna use a flathead. Let me see. I'm gonna make my way through here. See, just like that, and just go ahead and do everything. So go ahead and remove this cover. And then I'm going to show you what to do next. I'm going to use both of my hands. Like I said, it's very easy. Start from one side, then do the other side, and come to the middle. So here we go. Okay, guys, so I removed that, and it's still connected by this little light. But as you can see, these are the clips. And some of them broke, like this one. See, it broke, and I think this one as well. And it's just the nature of the process. It's inevitable. There's a couple of things you can use to buy and do that, but I mean, you have to go out of your way and buy them, and still they're not 100% good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a link in the description for these clips, and you can buy them. It's like 100 or 50 of them for like 10 bucks, which are good to have. So you can go ahead and buy those through Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Just click on it. But a good tip, what I found was a good way, was just once you get your hands in, just do quick pulls, just like pop. And then just quick pulls. Don't pull slowly and hold it in. No, just get in there and just do a quick pull and little quick pulls. But yeah, now that you got that out, we can go ahead and unplug it from here, just so we can put it on the side, which is just a little push and pull. Again, use both of your hands because this is gonna fall. But just push that little button right there and pull back. And once we do that, then we're gonna come in here, and those are our lights right there. I'm gonna show you how to open that in just a second. Just go ahead and get rid of this. Okay guys, so now that we removed that cover, you can just pull your tailgate down, sit inside your truck. And this is the light. I just removed it already, just so I can show you guys what to do, but it goes in there. This is one of them. The other one is on this side. It's right there. Okay. And the way you take it off is just turn. Let me add some brightness. You're gonna turn like this, and it comes right out. As you can see, this is the mechanism, and it goes in there. So you can turn and pull out. I turn to the left. I'm gonna try and do the same on this side. So I'm also gonna turn to the left. Let's see. Yep. Okay. So I turn to the left. See, so now it's facing up, and then it comes right out. There you go. Very easy. Obviously my light bulbs are burned, just like yours. I'm gonna put a link in the description to where you can buy this one. So if you guys want to buy them online, and they'll arrive in 1 to 2 days. And I'm gonna just pull this out. You need both of your hands again. So just go ahead and pull this out, and that's your light bulb. It comes straight out just by pulling it. And that's it, guys. That's how you replace the license plate lights on this Lexus RX350. I hope this video helped. If you don't know what you're doing, you may break something. At least now you know where the clips are and how to access this part of the vehicle. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care.